From the bank whose acronym is the name of a cold-blooded snake capable of squeezing the life out of a human and swallowing them whole. BOA.
Dear, for those new to the Banking Bad series, please see part 1. Bank of America wants you to die before they modify, to learn how the bank asked a customer to provide his own death certificate to get a loan refinance.
I'm here to acquire a death certificate.
But I'm taking a short break from that expose to talk about an even worse Bank of America situation. First, I wanted to thank the subscribers to our channel and the journalists that wrote some great pieces. A side effect is we now get a ton of email at bankingbad.com and our YouTube channel, but it's mostly complaints about Bank of America, and I generally stay out of it. But the last story I received was pure evil, and I had to share. It's about a musician from the Midwest named Dave Nichols. Dave had just had a son and wanted to fully realize the American dream and bought a house. Dave got duped into a bad loan with Countrywide, who was purchased by Bank of America, and in a nutshell, his 4%-ish loan went to almost 7%-ish. The increase that was supposed to happen over a few years happened over a few months. His payment of $1,100 a month topped out at BOA around $1,850. He tried to get this corrected, but 7 refinance attempts later, after 2 years and thousands of lies, Bank of America, BOA, is still refusing to right this wrong. That refusal has led to major financial duress, and as financial troubles often do, they contributed to this man's divorce. Now Dave, the newly single dad, is just trying to save his home for his son, and BOA continues to close their grip, either ignoring or just not being aware that they are destroying this man's life and, in essence, stealing his property. So I looked up Dave's stage name, Nickel 9. Dave falls into that rare breed of rapper who can flow with artists like D12. For those unfamiliar with hip-hop, that's Eminem's Detroit Crew.
I told you so. Nickel 9, I'm back at it again. Grabbed the pad and the pen. Took the game and sucker punched it in the abdomen. Fist in the air, just like the Rocky statue is. This cocky bastard is declaring he's the champion. As for the haters, I spray him and then attack his friends. Verbally, cause words will be enough to cause the damages. Watching it all happen and laughing at y'all panicking. Only raps you got was from hospital guards and bandages.
Wow, Dave is nice on the mic, but back to the subject at hand, helping Dave and his son save their house. So I'm going to consider this my good deed for the year, and I hope some of you good citizens of the world will join me in sharing this video. And now, a word from a homeowners advocate who has helped over 1,000 families save their homes, Steve Trebernay.
Wow, D, that was a great video, and Dave is nice on the mic. You know, it's a terrible story about his home. I'm going to ask anyone watching this video to go share it on all their social media pages right now, and let's let Dave know we're going to stand together for him and his son to save their home. In addition, go to bankingbad.com and click on Dave's blog, and this will take you right over to Bank of America, and we're just going to ask them to do the right thing for Dave and his son. You know, as we stand together, we are much stronger, and we can stop this terrible customer service from happening to anyone else across the United States. So please, share this video everywhere you can, and just want to thank you so much for watching.